Sup, kid? What? I didn't cough right? Oh my god, you have to make a video about it now. Hey Chintaste, there's a certain problem we are facing, so we want you to stay clean and fresh. Alright, this is how you're supposed to be coughing. You should take your hand, and you put your face on there, and you're supposed to be coughing into this. Not down, not up, into there. So like that. But if you're not a normie, you see, this is how you should be coughing. This is how you blow your nose. This is a tissue paper. It's made out of leaves. I don't take bio. So what you do is you take this tissue paper, you put it over your nose, right? You block one side of your nose using your fingers, and you blow from the other side until everything is out. And then you block that side and you blow from this side, and then you yoink it all out. Crumble it up, make sure it doesn't touch your skin, and then you make it into the trash can. If you litter, I know your parents, so I'm gonna snitch. That's it. Alright, thanks for watching. Let's go Run Steven edition.